A very big hello to all my wonderful KCT champions. So finally, the round 3 provisional results are live. I told you in the previous video, it would be there by the evening time. So it's finally over here. And how do you need to check that out? So you have to go to KA's official website and then go to admissions bar, click on UGCET and you will see a list of notifications popping out there. One such notification is UGCET 2025 third round provisional result link. Now once you click on that, my dear children, you would have to fill in your CET number, your date of birth as well as the CAPTCHA. Now below that few things have been written. Make sure you're reading it. That is, this is provisional results. This is not their final results. So first of all, you should not be going to any colleges claiming that I have got this college, and none of the colleges should take admission on the basis of this result as well. So you would have to wait for some time until the final results finally comes in. My dear children, there won't be much changes between provisional and final results according to the trend which have been followed until date. Now if at all you are someone who finds that okay, I should have got the college according to the rank that I've got, if your claim is on a very valuable thing, obviously you can go report that in KA's official mail ID, and that is also being written in the instructions which have been given below. Okay, so I'll read out that what do you call the email ID as well if at all you need it. It's KEA authority ka@nic.in. So if at all you have any problems or issues, so make sure you are reporting by 11 a.m. 11th September 2025, that is tomorrow. So you don't have much time. Make sure you are clarifying all of it and telling them if at all you have any problems. Now for medical aspirants, things are quite different. For engineering and architecture and all the other courses, things are quite different. So if at all after the declaration of the final results of the third round, my dear children, if you are engineering background, if you are from architecture background or yoga and naturopathy or agricultural science or veterinary or BSc nursing or B Pharma, PharmD, BPT, BPO, allied health science, then you should report to the college before 13th September 2025. I'm repeating the date again. It's 13th September 2025. So you will be getting your final results also very soon. Maybe tomorrow itself you will be receiving it by paying the prescribed fee. So make sure you're paying the fee, and also after the payment of the fee, the second thing that you need to do is download the seat confirmation slip. Without downloading the seat confirmation slip, there is no need to go to the college. So after the payment, seat confirmation slip, after that reporting to the college by 13th of September 2025. And also if at all you have paid some caution deposit earlier, please understand that amount will be adjusted over here, so you don't need to worry about that. Now there is one more thing for UG NEET medical, dental and Ayush courses. So for you, if at all you have been allotted with anything, you are advised not to take any action until further notice, because you know MCC's update has to be coming in. Okay, there are few updates that have come in, which is why there are certain changes as well. So do not be in a rush to do anything. And for those of you who have not been allotted with any seats yet, my dear children, please stay calm. Hopefully things are gonna get better since medical seats, and there are children who are participating for both engineering as well as medical courses. If they get a better medical seat elsewhere, they might drop down the engineering seat out there, and you may have a round to get it. I'm not sure about it yet. I'm no one to tell about it yet, but still I'm telling you, wait for some time and then take a decision of whether you should be going with some private entrances or probably a management quota seat. So please wait, do not be disheartened. Everything happens for a good reason. And if you are interested in all the updates regarding KCT, even though it's almost over, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you think that this video have helped you in some ways, again, tell us in the comment section, give a click on the like button, and do not forget to subscribe and share it with your friends also who are in need. We will be up to date with all the updates. Wishing you all the best. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.